Hey English learner, welcome back to my channel. Let's learn preposition. I am blank the library. The library is a small area. What should be the correct preposition for the library? I am in the library or at the library. When you mean or when you just going the general idea about your location, say at. Where are you? General idea. Use at. I am at the library. And when you mean being inside. Being inside the buildings or enclosed with the walls. Then you would say, I am in the library. Next, I am blank a plane. A plane is a large and public vehicle. You can sit, stand, as well as walk on a plane. So use on here. I am on a plane. Next, I am blank a car. A car is a small and personal vehicle. Most of the cases, you can only sit in a car. You can't stand. So use in. I am in a car. I am blank India. India is a country. For country, cities, towns, cities, we say in. We use in here. I am blank the beach. Where are you? I am at the beach. General idea. Or if you mean to say that you are on the surface of the beach, relaxing on the surface, on the sand. What does the information means on the surface of the beach? Means on the sand, right? So we can use on. If it is general idea, I am at the beach, use at. I am blank home. Home is a general idea. Where are you? I am at home. I am at home. Or being inside the building, so you can use in. It is totally depend on your information. I am blank a train. Train is a large and public vehicles. You can sit and stand as well as walk. So you do this and let me know in the comments what's the correct answer. And don't forget to share this video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Keep sport.